Mining Weekly Online is interviewing the executives of the Mineral Corporation, and we're speaking particularly to the MD, Frank Gregory.
The foundation of every mining operation starts with the ore body, and the qualification and quantification of the ore body is, in our view, one of the most seriously compromised aspects of scoping studies, pre-feasibilities and feasibility work. Our role is to provide a multidisciplinary service, technical service, to our clients to help them identify risks. There's a sloppiness that's sneaked into the industry. What is the grade and what are the tonnages? What are the metallurgical recoveries? Are those CapEx, OpEx costs correct? And all the parameters that go into for the modification of a mineral resource to a mining mineral reserve are areas where we're seeing some fairly suspicious transactions, feasibilities on a particular project where we knew that the geology generated a mineral resource of, say, 3 grams a ton of that particular commodity, and yet in the financial models and the feasibility it was shown at 6 grams. To us, that's fraud. This is a particular case that we looked at, and that project didn't go ahead.
Could there be another Bre-X?
There have been some Bre-X type issues around some projects lately. There are projects, they've been put out and they have been extremely close to the line.
Have they lied or committed fraud about the grade?
Basically, the competent person hasn't done a good job. Widows and orphans can lose money, but unless it's a big bank that's losing the money, it doesn't seem to get the attention of the media.
But isn't there the SAMREC code?
That's correct, and it's the actual competence of the competent person and the readers that need to be jacked up.
Is there a temptation to actually take technical shortcuts given the state of the industry?
Yes, I think there is. The industry is in quite an interesting place. So commodity prices are not really as bad as they have been in a few years past. But it feels to us, at least, that the industry is being punished, as it were, by the investor community. That the investor community has lost confidence in the industry, and it's our responsibility within the industry to regain that confidence. At the same time, when it's difficult to raise money and when the environment is tough, so the temptation to bring projects to market more quickly, to bring projects to market for a less amount of money, is greater. So you have this juxtaposition. How do we as the industry regain the confidence of the investor? Well, the right way to do that is to do things right. But at the same time, how do you survive? How do projects survive this tough environment? There is that temptation.